This video shows you how to configure basic settings for DL30. This video is a sequel to Basic Settings Part 1. If you have not yet watched the video, please watch the video first. This is the table of contents for this video. The first is about connecting the configurator software, DL30 GCFG, to DL30. Turn the configuration select switch to DL30. Double-click the DL30 GCFG icon. Click the Connect button to display the communication setting window. Select the USB and COM port for the USB cable. After selecting, click OK. The next is the time setting for DL30. Click the Maintenance button in the main window. Click Connect and the maintenance window appears. Click Date Time. The time of your computer is displayed. Enter the time you want to set and click Apply. After setting the time, turn on Dip Switch 4, located on the front side of DL30 main unit, to enable the calendar clock battery backup. The next is the IP address setting for DL30. Click the Network button in the main window and click Connect. The network window appears. Select Manual Setting and set an IP address and so on. Set an IP address which does not overlap with other devices such as PCs on the same network. The default IP address is 192.168.0.1. In this video, IP address of DL30 is changed to 192.168.1.2 and that of the subnet mask to 255.255.255.50. When you finish these settings, click the Upload to Device button. The network settings are activated when you power reset DL30. The next is the IP address setting for the PC. Open Windows Start menu and select Control Panel in Windows System Tool. Then select Network and Internet. After selecting Network and Sharing Center, select Change Adapter Settings in the upper left of the window and configure the network settings. Right-click the Ethernet icon for the wired LAN cable and select Properties. The Properties window appears. As you select Internet Protocol version 4, TCP/IPv4, click Properties. The Internet Protocol version 4, TCP/IPv4 Properties window appears. Click the checkbox for Use the following IP address to configure the network settings. In this video, the setting is 192.168.1.100, and the subnet mask is 255.255.255.0. Close the window by clicking OK. The next is the discrete input DI setting. Click the New Setting button in the main window to display the settings window. Click the Input/Output button. Click Discrete Input DI and open the DI window. When you double-click a row of DI to set, the DI setting window is displayed. When channel setting is set to I/O module, module address and channel number can be configured. In this video, since the discrete input module is installed in module address 1, module address is set to 1. As the first channel of the discrete input module is used, channel number is set to 1. After the assignment is completed, configure the settings such as channel name and channel comment. Channel name can be up to 16 characters long. For channel comment, input comments such as a tag name within 16 characters. In this video, channel name is digital input 1 and channel comment is simulation input switch. On the right side of the setting window, the settings for on and off can be configured separately. For display comment, up to 8 characters such as on or in ops can be input. Set the status indicating colors for on and off, which will be displayed on the web screen. In this video, the display color for the status on is set as red, and off as green. When you finish these settings, click OK. The next is the analog input AI setting. When you click the analog input AI button in the input/output window, the analog input AI window is displayed. Double-click a row of AI to set. The AI setting window is displayed. When channel setting is set to I/O module, you can enter module address and channel number. In this video, since the DC voltage current input module is installed in slot 2, module address is set to 2. Also, if you are going to use the first channel of the DC voltage current input module, set the channel number to 1. After the assignment is completed, configure the settings such as channel name and channel comment. Channel name can be up to 16 characters long. Set comments such as a tag name up to 16 characters long in channel comment. In this video, the channel name is Analog Input 1, the channel comment is Simulation Input 4 to 20 milliamperes. And we select %0 to 10,000 for data type and none for filter here. We will go with the default settings for scaling, number of decimal places and engineering unit. When you finish the settings, click OK. Next is the settings for a login ID and a password for the web server. Click the communication button in the configuration window to display the communication window. By clicking web server, the web server window is displayed. The window image appears. In order to set an ID, double-click an ID row to open the ID window. The login ID and password can be set with up to 16 alphanumeric characters long. In this video, login ID is set to MSYSTEM and password is set to MSYSTEM. Click OK to save the setting. The next step is to transfer and save the configuration file. By clicking Upload to Device in the configuration window, the data that you have set up is going to be transferred to DL30. If one or more IDs or passwords are blanked or unchanged, a warning window appears. It is highly recommended to change them before you are going to actually operate DL30. Click Upload to Device. A confirmation window pops up, so click OK. Click Connect. In order to save the created setting data, click the Save File button in the configuration window and specify the saving destination. In this video, we will save it to a desktop with the name sample. The last step is to use the web server. On DL30 web server, let's see how DL30 works with what you have configured. Make sure that the PC is connected to DL30 with a LAN cable and open a browser software. In this video, we use Microsoft Edge. In the browser software address bar, enter the IP address 192.168.12 which you have set for DL30. A pop-up window appears to ask you to enter your ID and password. Enter MSYSTEM for both ID and password. DL30's web browser screen appears. Click the menu button and select Data to show the data screen. The screen displays a list of the current status of the assigned channels. The displayed items vary depending on the channel type. If you select DI on the display selector at the top of the screen, the configured discrete input channels are displayed. When the simulation input is applied, you can confirm that the status changes to off and on the display, and the color also changes. When AI is selected on the display selector at the top of the screen, the configured analog input channels are displayed. By operating the portable current signal generator of the simulation input, you can confirm the data changes on the screen. Apply 0%. Apply 50%. Apply 100%. The next step is to change the refresh rate of the screen. Click Screen Refresh Rate under Menu. The refresh rate of the screen can be set at any value between 0 and 999 seconds. If it is set as 0 second, the screen does not update automatically. Enter the auto refresh rate and click OK. The refresh rate of the display screen is applied. The refresh rate is saved in the browser software. Even if you close the DL30 web browser screen, the saved refresh rate will be applied next time when the web browser screen is opened. This completes the basic settings part 2. Thank you.